first level of a brand new $14.5 million Sky Villa penthouse in Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. My name is Julian Arango Arias, and I'll be giving you a tour of this modern luxury Sky Villa penthouse. Follow me. Starting, I will show you one of the most unique rooms in the Sky Villa penthouse, the master study. I love this sliding door that disappears you into your own private paradise. You can work in peace on your laptop with the ocean right next to you. From your private elevator, you will walk into your foyer, which leads you into the family room and into the dining room, which has 360-degree views of the city and the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. The living room has a flow-through layout with floor-to-ceiling windows and a combined 624 square feet of living space. The interior was done by Meyer Davis. This kitchen is luxury at its finest, with state-of-the-art Gaggenau appliances, a wine cooler, a special coffee and espresso machine, and lots of space for your chefs to cook while you entertain your guests. Summer kitchen with city views. This is truly an incredible space, and it comes fully equipped with a pool table and exquisite art. Before we enter the master bedroom, I want to show you the midnight bar. Comes fully equipped with a sub-zero UC fridge. You can store all the alcohol you want here. You also have a study area where you can read all your favorite new books, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, having a nice glass of wine at night. For the grand finale, I'm going to show you the massive master bedroom, which has beautiful attention to details, top-of-the-line finishes, and it features a closet you would see on MTV Cribs with LED lights, plenty of space, sleek drawers, and over here you can store your favorite Chanel, Fendi, Louis, Hermes. It's up to you. The master bathroom has dual sinks, dual toilets, a rainfall shower, and a tub overlooking the blue sky and water. Thank you for joining us on my beautiful Sky Villa tour. Comment your thoughts below, hit that subscribe button, and if you liked the video, contact me for a private showing to make this your next home.